Hi, my name is Matthew Connolly, one of the career counselors here in the Office of Career Services at BSU, and today we're going to be talking about why you should be on Handshake, and I'm going to go through some of the functionalities of Handshake, so stay tuned. Before we get started, I just wanted to talk a little bit about Handshake. We just partnered up with them last year. It's a brand new service, and it's really just a job and internship search tool that's a nationwide application. So they're really interconnected, lots of employers and jobs on there. So let's get started. This is my profile right here, filled it out. You can see my little picture, little bio. You can go in at any time. You can really just edit it, update it, what have you. And as you scroll down, you'll start to see a bunch of different experiences that, they're not real experiences. I just kind of filled it in for a student profile. But you can see as you scroll down the list, you have previous employers, internships, little descriptions of each. And as you continue to scroll down, you can start to see types of jobs that I'm looking for, internships, my skills, the locations where I want to pursue a job, as well as courses that I've taken. So if you scroll down, I selected all of those, and you can discover new students. And as you continue to scroll down, you can also fill in projects and the like. So the skills, if you plug in a skill, you can easily type one in and just update your profile that way. Additionally, there's a document section where you can upload documents like resumes and cover letters. So right here, I actually just uploaded a sample document. And what's nice about Handshake is that from here, you can take this document and actually build your profile based on it. I built my profile regularly, but you can do this functionality as well. Super easy to do. So again, this tool is also up here at the top of the page. So if I click on the home page, there's a few different tabs that I want you to see here. There's jobs. So jobs section really, obviously internships and jobs. This is where you can totally search and really look for anything within your field that you're looking for. So scrolling down the list here, this is the first one that's featured, and it features similar jobs. You can save jobs at any time. And if you look on the side tab here, there's a bunch of different jobs that are similar related to what you're looking at, and you can see that there's over 4,000 jobs. You can sort by relevance, application date, date posted. So it's really easy to narrow down what you're looking for. Now, if I go into my saved jobs, as you can see, this job, the sales support specialist, auto-populates because I just saved that. So it's an easy way to track what you're doing, as well as application. So this is one that I did a test application for earlier in the year. You can see it right there. If I go back to my saved jobs and I click apply, that process gets started, right? And then from here, you just fill out this application. Now, if I go back to my applications tab, this new application is pending. I just started it, so now it is in my saved applications tab, which is really great, super easy way to be organized. Now, if I go here to this tab, this is the employers tab. You can really search for any type of employer that you're looking for. What's really neat about this function is that there are reviews that are actually left by working professionals of the company where they can leave their honest opinion, their review, their areas of improvement where they feel the company could improve. And it's a really great way to gain some insight on companies as you're doing your research for your interviews or before you decide to commit to a job or an internship. So back to this employers page, you can scroll down and you can narrow down by the size of the company, the industry, all that good stuff. So super useful tool. If you click on the on-campus interviews tab, this is where your on-campus interviews, your upcoming interviews will be saved. So you can easily track them in this tool, and as you land those interviews, these will be updated in your calendar. So if I go back to the home page, you can click on employers here. These are the pages that we were just on, just another easy way to get to it. So the next tab I want to show you is the community tab. And this tab is really great if you're looking to connect with professionals, alumni, and other students. So like I said, this is a national platform. So there are students from all over the country, and every student that's using Handshake is featured on this website. And you can search through them by year, academic year. You can search by alumni, senior, working professional. You can even search by major and type of opportunity that you're looking for. So hypothetically speaking, say if I wanted to search Bridgewater State University alums, super easy to narrow down. And it actually populates this right here, so it auto updates. And if I scroll down, I see this fellow right here, Edward. He has some marketing experience. Say if I'm an aspiring marketeer, I can click on his profile. And what's nice is that he is an alum to Bridgewater State. So although you may not know this person, you do have the option to message and inquire about the positions that he's had, so you can gain a little insight on how to approach your job search. Not everyone might answer you back, so obviously keep your eyes out for more contacts, but usually the alumni are more than happy to help. So the next tab here is the Career Paths tab. This is just an easy way to narrow down types of positions within certain industries and career paths. As you can see here, I've already flagged marketing managers and specialists. It's saved, so it's checked off as interested. And if you click that, it'll just auto-populate similar types of positions below, which is really cool. And it goes into top majors in this role, as well as individuals in this role from other schools, alumni, working professionals as well. You also have the option to reach out to them. And you can scroll through. There's a bunch of different students and alumni available. On the home page, you can also see all these positions right here on the home page. There's an option to look at packets that are suggested by the Career Services Office at BSU, jobs expiring soon, which is really neat, and jobs you may be interested in pending applications. The next tab is the Events tab. And this tab is where you can find events going on virtually right now all over the country. As you scroll down the list, you'll actually see a couple of our events. So coming up in September, we have the Accounting, Finance, and Business Virtual Career Fair, September 16th, and the Bridgewater State University STEM and Health Sciences Virtual Career Expo. I can click Save here. So if you click on the Career Center tab, it will pull you to our section of the website where you can actually get in contact with each of us. And it even states the upcoming career fair. So like I mentioned, the Accounting, Finance, Business Virtual Career Fair. We've got the STEM and Health Sciences Expo, which is also saved because I clicked that save button earlier. And when you click on these, you can scroll down and look at specifics. And you can even look at the employers that are attending this fair, which is really cool. Right now we're in the earlier stages, so there will be more employers coming to this event. So really easy way to get in touch with people before the event even starts. As you scroll down, there is another fair that's coming up. This one's further out in October. This is for all you government CJ, human services, nonprofit professionals. So definitely check that out as well. Additionally, in this tab, if you click on resources, you'll have access to all of our online resources, whether it's our career assessments, what can I do with this major, or all of our individual packets going over resumes, cover letters, networking, job searching, effective interviewing, even a LinkedIn cheat sheet, which I highly recommend that you click on and check out, especially if you're trying to update your LinkedIn profile. There is a really easy way to customize your LinkedIn URL so you can fit it on your resume. Highly recommend you do that. Check this sheet out, super helpful. So if I go back to the homepage, and from here, there are a couple other tabs that I want you to check out. So there is a Q&A tab, which is really useful if you have some questions about your field. And as you can see here, there's already questions listed. Say if I wanted to be a theater and acting major, this person asks a question, and working professionals and or students, alumni, actually real people come and they answer your question for you. And you can click on all those, which is really cool. Below, you can share your own answer, and you have the option to answer as yourself anonymously, which is really cool if you want to just stay a little incognito. So if I go back to this tab, your answers, when you answer people's questions, they will be saved on this tab right here, as well as your questions once you decide to ask them. And again, you have the choice to be private or ask as yourself. For example, if I plug in this question right here, I post it. Eventually, hopefully the goal is that some previous marketing professionals will reach out, answer my question, and give me a little insight as to how much experience is required for this particular role I was interested in. Okay, so from here, if we go to the Students tab, this is just an easy way to get to that alumni page again, to do that narrowing down the search. And if you click the Career Center, that's just going to direct you to our page again, just an easier way to get there. Additionally, there's the Messages tab where you can connect with alumni and employers. And back to the homepage, that's pretty much it. This is Handshake in a nutshell. It is your one-stop shop searching for jobs, internships, careers, connecting with alumni and student professionals. So definitely give this a shot in addition to any other job search sites that you're using. This is just an easy way to keep it concentrated all in one place. So that's it for me. Thank you so much for tagging along today. We appreciate it. Best of luck on your job search. And if you have any questions, reach out to us at 508-531-1328. Thanks.